Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set back button focus on Sony camera. So I'm using Sony A7III. So let's get straight into it. So you need to decouple the focusing action from the shutter button and assign it to a button on the back of the camera. So let's do the first thing. Disconnect focus from the shutter. So what you need to do, go to the menu button and go to the camera settings 1. So this is the red camera icon. Navigate to the page 6 right over here and select AF slash shutter and set it to off like that. Now this half pressing the shutter will only lock exposure or trigger the meter, not the focus. Okay. By default, the AF on button is already set to focus, but it's good to verify. So if we go to the camera settings number 2, so this is a purple camera icon. Now we need to navigate to the page 8, and right here we will select custom operation. So custom key. And now we need to find AF on button. So I will go through this menu. So, okay, right here, the last one. So in the last menu, I have this one. As you can see, AF on button. And ensure it to set to AF on. So I have it on AF on. You have bunch of options, but mine is on AF on. If you take a closer look on your camera body at the back, you will see that button right at the top next to the viewfinder on the right side. You will see it. So many users prefer the AL button, which is at the right end top at the right top end of your camera body for back button focus, because it sits more naturally under the thumb. So you can assign AF on the AL button here instead. So you just need to find it right over here, and then you can AL button, this one right here. So yeah, you just need to find it and set where you want this AF on button. So this is how you can set back button focus on Sony camera. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next